Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Make with Bella. Today we are making some Koose, or some do call it Akara, and this is mostly served with millet porridge, that is Hausa kuku or cornmeal porridge. I hope you do enjoy the recipe. So we are going to start by washing our black-eyed beans twice before soaking overnight. So this is how it looks after 12 hours. It increased in size. We are going to go ahead and wash this and then peel the beans. I'll be using a food processor for that, which I'm going to show how to do in the video. To peel the beans, you're going to blend in seconds, like 2 to 3 times, and then you take it off. You can as well use your hands to peel the beans manually by rubbing it together for some few minutes, and there you have it. We'll go ahead and separate the coat from the beans and then blend it with other ingredients into a smooth paste. It's time to blend your habanero chili pepper and onion together with the beans into a thicker consistency. Remember to add just a little water because we want the paste to be thick. Rock me, baby. Before we fry, we need the paste to be very fluffy, so we are going to go ahead and whip. This is going to incorporate some air into it and make it fluffy. Don't forget to add some salt and then continue whipping until it becomes thicker, fluffy, and very hard to drop when scooped with a spoon. Now add in your scallions or spring onions and then continue whipping. I decided to use the whisk this time instead of the hand mixer. Yeah, continue to whip until it becomes very fluffy. Now put that aside and prepare your egg. I used 2 eggs, and remember to add in a pinch of salt and some scallions and then whisk until it comes together. It is time to deep fry the akara, and remember the oil should be very hot before you start dropping your akara in it. And to add the egg, I really don't know how to explain how I'm doing this, and I think you should watch and then follow suit. Kind of create a hole and then drop a tablespoon of the egg in it. After a maximum of 5 to 6 minutes, it is time to turn the other side to fry as well into golden brown. And remember to turn each side from time to time to fry for some 2 to 3 minutes. And there you have it. Your akara or koose is ready to be served hot with some porridge, or you can take it just like that. Yeah, don't forget to add the drops or the little ones in the oil. I remember as a child those were my favorites. Kokoro and pachamepe Koose naseno. So as you see, our Koose is ready, and see how fluffy it looks. Very hot, and this tastes delicious. Trust me, very, very delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell for more recipes. As well, like, share and comment if you did enjoy it. Share, don't keep it. Bye.